Hello French students, this video will help you understand how to use the new learning platform called Speexx. You will receive new access codes along with an exercise list that will indicate which chapters you will need to work on. This is the platform where you will work on, and this is the exercise list. You will receive an exercise list at the beginning of your course and then at the beginning of each new level that you do. Notice here, this is the échange number and the chapters on Speexx that you will be working on. When you're ready, please click on Login. To begin your course, please click on the blue part first. Here is the drop-down menu, which allows you to choose the chapters that you need to work on. Remember, échange 1 is base et bonjour. We're going to start with base. Here, you will have the instructions that will indicate what you will need to do for this exercise. If you wish to see the instructions in another language, please click on the arrows. If you wish to move to another exercise, you can use the buttons here, or you may use the button here, called Next. If you wish to go back, just simply click at the top of the page. Now, to do this exercise, simply choose the word that you wish and use it here. Drop it here. When you're ready to have it corrected, please click on Correction. As you can see, the ones indicated in red are incorrect and the ones indicated in green are correct. Now, if you wish to see the answers, please click on the little solution button here. When we arrive at the end of the exercise or at the end of the chapter, if we click Next, you will have this page displayed indicating that you have finished this chapter. When the chapter is finished, please click on Home and start working on the pronunciation exercises. Again, please make sure that you're working on the same chapter number for the pronunciation exercises as you did for the first part. So here, it's on base. If you wish to hear the word before you do the pronunciation, simply click on Play and you'll hear the word. When you're ready to do the pronunciation exercise, please click on the microphone. Bonjour. Bonjour. Ici, here, it will tell you if the microphone has recorded you or not. If not, as we can see here, simply click on this button here to check the quality of your microphone. When the part here is in red, it means that you'll need further practice. If it's in green, it means you've done well, and if it's in yellow, it's so-and-so. When you're ready to go to the next exercise, please click Next. If at any point you see a word that you don't understand, simply right-click on the word, and here you will have the definition. You'll have the masculine or the feminine form of the word, and if you wish to remember that word to see it later on, simply click on the little star. Once you're finished with this, you click on Home, and you can choose to do the grammar that you've seen. This is not an obligatory part of your course, but there are extra grammar exercises for you to use and play around with if you wish to do so. Please remember that the grammar is explained here. If you click on the grammar, you have the grammar explanation. Click on the next exercise. It might ask you for grammar, but it might be another word or something along those lines. If you, again, do not recognize the word, just right-click and it will show you the definition. If you wish to play around with a word with flashcards or a vocabulary game, please click on the star. When we go home, if we wish to play now a vocabulary game to have a little bit more practice, please click on vocabulary. And the words that you had selected before that you had put into the little star function, they will appear here. If you wish to start playing a game, click simply on Start. Here, the word is displayed and it asks you if you remember what it is. If you do not remember what it is, simply click on the word and it will flip over to the other side. It'll define the word for you and it will ask you, did you know the word or not? If not, click X. If so, yes. That means that the word will be repeated if you do not know the word, and if you do know the word won't be repeated again. It tells you how many words you have to play with. Once you're done with that and you're ready to start the second part of the chapter of the Unit 1, simply click on the play button and then choose the second chapter. That is how you use the new platform. Thanks again for listening. Bye-bye.